Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you guys today. We're doing a comparison between the Alpharex Pro Series headlights for the F-150 and the Alpharex Nova Series headlights for the F-150. So I have the Pro Series in on the driver's side and the Nova Series on the passenger side. So we're gonna go see and take a look at what they look like together and what's the difference between them. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so as you guys see right here, over here we have the Pro Series headlights, and then over here is the Nova Series headlights. So just by looking at it at first, you have the Pro Series, which has the white DRL bar, and the Nova Series has more like a clear DRL. The Nova Series over here has two projector bulbs, low beams and high beams, and then the Pro Series is going to have one big projector and one low projector. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and start this or unlock it. And there you go. That one did the sequential, this one does not. The DRL over here is a lot brighter than the DRL on this side. So, as you can see here, I did not opt for the sequential, but that is an option you can get. It's not just this one right here. They're not flickering, that's just the amateur of my camera here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it one more time. So it does that, and then it turns that. That one does the whole sequential, and it turns like that. Then lock it, that. Unlock, unlock it. So now what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and check out, make sure everything's working with the lights and everything like that. Alright, so let's turn this on. Turn on the lights. Perfect. We have the LED light in there, and we have the LED lights here. So just by looking at it, if I squat down and get blinded, they actually are the same. I feel like they're the same light output, just because that one has a bigger projector. Even though that has two projectors, this one has one, which is just a bigger projector. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put your camera down and I'm going to turn the brights on, turn signals, and all that, so you can see this real quick. There's the brights here. There is a sequential, or not the sequential, but that's the turn signals right there with the light on. And there's the DRL. So daytime driving is going to look like this: DRL light on, grill light on. So super cool. Awesome stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look. When I stand right here, that one definitely is a little bit brighter than this one is. And that's the only thing that's different, as you can see. So they look really cool. They look really sleek. So let's go ahead and get the next one in. But just wanted to show you the difference between them. From right here, they look the same. That one's definitely a little bit brighter than this one is. That one has two projectors, that one has one. The light output is definitely the same. This one's gonna be about $600. That one's closer to $1,100, so it's like double the price. I just took it out because, as you guys saw in my last videos, this one right here was actually defective. The DRL was not working. So let's go ahead and swap out the next one. But yeah, just a quick video for you guys today. If you have any questions, comments, leave a like and a comment down below. I get back to all of my viewers. Tell me if you've ever had a problem with the Nova Series headlights. I've seen people have problems with them. I haven't seen people have problems with the Alpharex, the regular Pro Series, which is fine with me, so that's why I went and just swapped them out. And I'm gonna go ahead and return these and get a $1,000 refund back. So there you guys go. And if you have any questions on where I get these mods, link in the description. I have every single link down there of all the mods I've done. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you do purchase from my link, I do get a small commission, and actually helps out the channel a lot. So I'm just gonna do a quick comparison of up close. Here are the Nova Series headlights. They look really cool. They just didn't perform the way I thought they would. And these are the Alpharex. I really like the white DRL bar. I think it looks so much cooler than the clear lens. That's the white. 2 projectors, one on top, one on the bottom. And then one more time over here. 4 projectors, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Now just a quick disclaimer, these come with LED bulbs. These come with halogen bulbs. You need to swap them out for LEDs. So when you buy them for like 500 bucks, you have to buy some LEDs with them, so it'll come out to about 600. And if you want the sequential where it does the light show, then you have to pay another 100 bucks on top of that. But that's what it looks like for the standard version. You have to take off in the back, put some LEDs in for the low and the high beam. I believe they're both H7, but I could be wrong on that. But I'm pretty sure they are both H7. These ones are not. They are the actual, so if the bulb goes out, then you take the whole headlight out. There are not replaceable bulbs. That's one kind of drawback. If one of these blew out, it's the light, the bulb is inside the light. You cannot take it out. It's part of the light, so you can't just change out the bulbs like that. Just a quick disclaimer on that, just so you guys are aware.